Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the dock model and whether your laptop supports USB-C or Thunderbolt. This matters for display and charging. Once done, plug the dock's AC adapter into a grounded outlet so peripherals get stable power. Then make sure your laptop is powered or charging, close power-hungry apps, and attach the dock cable to the correct laptop port. This initiates device enumeration. If prompted by the OS, allow driver installation so the dock can expose ports and displays properly. Once the physical connections are made, configure your displays in the OS display settings so resolution and orientation match your workflow. Make the most important monitor the primary display and set scaling to avoid tiny text. Next, plug in input devices, Ethernet, and storage. The dock centralizes all ports. If the system doesn't detect a monitor or NIC, update Dell Display Link or Thunderbolt drivers and reboot. This often resolves handshake and bandwidth allocation issues before you move to final checks. You finish by verifying charging, network connectivity, audio output, and that peripherals operate at expected speeds. Transfer a test file to confirm throughput. Then save your display layout and power options so they persist across reconnects, and enable any always-on charging feature if required. If something fails, reboot the dock and laptop first, then try a different cable. Make sure dock firmware and drivers are current, because most issues trace back to outdated firmware, permissions, or a faulty cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.